Hi, I'm George Iglesias. And today I would love to present you the new candy box. Inspired by the Dragon Tube, Candy Box is also a tube that you show 360 degrees. You open it up, you show it completely empty, and then you appear a lot of candy. The best part? This is fully customizable.